Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 25th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So on the dollar Swiss, I mean, even though the trend is down, I still think that it would make the most sense for this to continue up to take out these highs and maybe even eventually take out the high wave 4 over here. Right now, it looks like it's forming like a 333 pattern, like a WXY. But we do have a Fibonacci retracement on here, and if we do get a break of structure down on the sort of time phase, I'll be happy to start looking for sorts, no matter what my Elliott wave analysis tells me. So going down to the 4-hour time frame, now that price is all the way back up to its previous highs, we can now move our structure up here. Yesterday, I had my structure here, and I was telling you that anything you see to the downside is likely just a pullback within an uptrend. So perhaps some of you might have gone long there knowing that information. Now, for me, if it breaks this low, then I'll be happy to start looking for shorts. Otherwise, anything I see to the downside potentially could just be a pullback within an uptrend. And if it does make a pullback, I will definitely be looking for longs at the end of that pullback for the continuation of the uptrend unless we get that break of structure. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.